Did you feel the temperatures dip last night? Brr. That's always my reminder to think about your pipes. Yes, your pipes might not be the most glamorous part of your home, but when they burst, trust me, it isn't pretty. Hi, I'm Hannah Fleschel, your guide to living in and loving Atlanta. As a realtor, I see it every year. The temperature drops outside and suddenly half the neighborhood is calling the plumber. Here's how you can keep your home's pipes happy. Firstly, be proactive and insulate the pipes in your garage, in your crawl space. You can get foam inexpensively. About this time of year, disconnect the outdoor hoses and wrap the exterior spigots with a cover, like this one. And when the temps drop below freezing, keep a slow drip going and open those cabinet doors under your sink to let the warm air in. Follow me for more real estate know-how and home tips that'll save you headache and hopefully a plumber's bill.